Hey there, welcome to Crafting Unedited. I'm Sierra and today I'm going to show you a hack that I figured out. Don't know if it's really a hack, but something I learned to do. I have the Cricut Joy and I have the Cricut Joy card mat, and I've been wanting to make these, the insert cards. Well, as I was browsing through Cricut Design Space, I realized that when you go to make one of these Cricut Joy card mat cards, you can't edit them. Crazy, right? I want to be able to edit them and personalize them. And the first card that I noticed this on was a Mother's Day card that I wanted to make for my mother-in-law. And the problem was, it said, flowers for my mom. I needed it to say flowers for mom instead of my mom, or flowers for our mom, or flowers for grandma. I couldn't change any of that. It drove me nuts. So I went and dug some digging and learned how to do it on my own, and I want to show you how to do that today. It's a lot of fun, and I'm going to save you a headache by doing that. I created this 3D sunflower card. It says, "In a world full of roses, you are a sunflower. Happy Mother's Day." Super fun, super cute, and super pretty, right? Perfect. So we're going to hop on over to Design Space, and I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay, so we are in Design Space, and you can see my Sunflower Mother's Day card, 3D Joy, right here. And this is the one that I just showed you, but I'm going to show you how to make it. Don't worry, I'm not just going to show you that it's on the Design Space. So first things first, we're going to need these little angles, these little corners, right? How do you get those? You go over to projects and you pick any of them. We will go with, I think this is a Joy card. Let me show you exactly what I meant. See, there's no customize option. Can't use that one, but I think it'll have, nope, it does not. So we're going to go over here and we're going to type in, we're going to go to cards, and we're going to go to this one. This is the one that I selected. You can select any of them that will let you edit them. I picked this one. So we're going to go to customize right here, and we'll just replace that one because I've already saved it. No big deal. I was kind of hoping I could put them on the same thing, but you know, Design Space won't let me do that. So we've got lots of yellow flags over here. Don't worry. First thing, you're going to get rid of this, and you're going to get rid of, oh, you got to unattach. So select that, and you'll hit detach right here. Voila. You're going to get rid of this and the score line, and then you're left with this back. This is the hardest part to get rid of. It's not really that hard, but you can see here it's too big and you don't really need it anyway because you're using the card mat. So you'll go over to contour and you're going to hide all. It won't let me. There we go. So you want to make sure that this is the only thing that's shadowed. Everything else is still there. And voila, we have our corners. All right, so next thing's up. We're gonna write, excuse me, we're gonna write some text in here. What do we want to write? Let's write happy birthday. Day. Got some crazy sinuses going on today, guys. Whoops. And then I want to put that in the center. And I want to align this center. And we can't just use happy birthday because how boring is that? Let's find an image. let's just browse all images. And ooh, let's see what kind of creative funness I can come up with. Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to be creative and use my mind. So we're going to do something a little different. We're going to create another Mother's Day card because that's the holiday that's coming back up and it just seems right. So we're going to remove Happy Birthday and put the little bubble bath card in there. And we're going to make it like a landscape card. So we want to align the two. So center and center. And there we have it. And I wonder if it'll, nah. So I want to turn it so that I can see this better. There we go. My mouse stuck. No, I don't want to make it any smaller. No. It's to the exact dimensions that you need it, so don't resize it. Oh, dang it. That's why. I had a moment. I'm selecting the wrong thingy. There we go. So now we're going to select relax. It's, excuse me. We're going to make this a little smaller. I hate when it does that. Won't let you select it. Relax. And we're going to center that. And I'm not done. Oops. What else if I could spell, huh? Mother's Day. And we're going to put this in here. Oh, dang it. And then we want to align this. Center. There we go. Voila. So now we have it all as cut. I don't want to cut the words. I do want to change the font though. But because I want to write the font, we want to go over to filter and we want to go to writing. There's a reason for this because some of them, if you don't select writing, it's going to have that separation between the letters and I don't like that. So if you choose writing, it automatically just makes it like this. Here, I'll show you. This is as writing. Whoops. And if you do this, oh, now it's gonna, no. Oh, regular. See, regular. And then if you go to regular and you go up here to draw, see, this is what I mean. If you don't select writing, then it's going to have that feature. It's going to look like that. All right, so there we have it. There's the card. What you're going to do is select all of your design and you are going to attach it. Yeah, it turns blue. That's not a big deal. You can change it if you want, but I don't see a reason to. The only thing that's blue is this. It's not going to draw in blue or print in blue or anything like that, so no big deal. Then you're going to go to Make It. And you're going to go to On Card Mat, and you're going to select Done, and there you have it. However, note, I don't have this size, right? So I'm going to have to change that. No big deal. You're going to hit Continue, and then you're going to go to Edit. Maybe. It's thinking it's trying to detect the joy. Taking forever. Maybe if I move closer to the joy, it'll... You make sure it's connected. Bluetooth. Oh, that's why it's not. Silly, silly thing. Come on. Let's see if it'll connect now. There we go. Figured it out. It's because I had my phone connected to the Joy. It won't connect to more than one thing at a time. So it should be working fairly shortly. The Joy is blinking. All right, let's go back. Try again. There we go. So you're going to select Insert Cardstock or Insert Card Cardstock. It's not letting me change the size of the... Gotta go back again because I need to change this, but it's not allowing me. Oh, that might be why. All right, that's why. So because I have the 4.25 by 5.5, the fact that it had 5.53 threw it all off. So done, and oh, I did it again. Make it, it'll work eventually. See, I want to change it here. We're going to go with it because it's not allowing me to change it. We're going to hope for the best. Insert card, cardstock, and then we're going to go to cut. We'll see you over on the Joy. And we're back. So we are ready to do the cutting and the drawing, right? Right. So insert card mat, insert card into the insert card mat, make it all sticky, Cricut Joy pen, marker. All the same, right? Swap it out, put it in, load your mat. Now it does its thing. And we hit go. I don't know, I was waiting for it to magically select itself. I kind of have a feeling this is going to cut it upside down. I should have flipped it on the mat. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, it's upside down. That's alright. The point was to show you how to make it for future reference. Check your mat, make sure that it's flipped. Otherwise it's going to end up upside down like mine will. No worries. I'm not worried at all. It's all fine. It was more to show you how to design the card, not actually make the card. That's on another tutorial, which is why you should subscribe to my channel so that you can learn all these cool hacks like me. So I'm not going to make you sit through this whole whoopsie episode. And I'm actually not going to finish the card. So I'm just going to hit cancel. And I'm going to let you guys go. So basically, I just wanted to show you how to design the card. And you can see the fail. Whoopsie. That's alright. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you how to design the cards. Not necessarily make them. We've already done that in another tutorial, so make sure you watch that one and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, my crafty friends, we will see you later.